So I'm gonna do a little cold start for you guys. Alright guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. You already know what it is, at Locos.Garage. You guys can drop a comment, like, subscribe. Thank you guys for 10K subscribers. I appreciate it. That was the goal this year. We hit it. Hopefully next year we can hit 20K or 50K or 100K. We'll see how it goes though. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway. We hit 10K, you know, that's a big step. So we're gonna do a giveaway for either Mustang, Camaros, Chargers, well, any Mopar, Corvettes. We're gonna be doing either a modification giveaway or oil catch can giveaway, or just general maintenance such as oil change, coolant flush, brake flush, something simple, you know. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a giveaway pretty soon. If you guys can, follow us on Instagram at Locos.Garage or my personal at 5.0 Nico. This way you can see the directions and how we do it and stuff for the giveaway. Other than that, thank you guys, appreciate it. So we're doing the tail lights today. They're the Euro tail lights, I believe. They're from, let me see, they're from Autoaddictusa. It's me the clear ones. A lot of S550s, they do them. Some S197s do them, but this is a new thing for this year model. They barely came out, probably like, I want to say a month ago. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that quick install on this car. Well, it's not quick, we're gonna take time because we have to remove the back bumper. We gotta remove a bunch of stuff just to the tail light. That's kind of whack, but it is what it is. It's not as simple as like the Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3s. Gen 4 is a little bit harder now. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. Yeah guys, if you guys can, drop a like, subscribe, comment. If you guys can, share the content, that'll be cool, you know. Big steps. But yeah guys, let's show you guys the tail lights and get it started. Alright guys, these are the tail lights right here. They're pretty clean. So it's gonna be the clear edition. You already know the Euro tail lights. We have to remove the back bumper to access these clips right here for the tail lights, and this part of the tail light goes behind the back of the bumper, so that's why we have to remove the back bumper. What's cool about this kit, they provide some of the connectors with us. They gave us directions, so we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully they're pretty good. Let's see. What else? So right now we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna remove the back bumper, get that out of the way. I know there's some 7mm screws on this side, and on the other side some panel poppers. Then it says just pull back, it should pop out of place. And then once we remove the back bumper, we're gonna remove the panels on the inside, get that out of the way. This way we can access the bolts behind the tail light. There's 3 10mm bolts on each tail light, so we're gonna get that done. If you guys remember this car, we did lowering springs on it. It's pretty cool color. I like this color. Let's get started guys. Alright guys, so I got this part pretty much ready to come out. I just gotta disconnect the side marker on the bottom. So basically the directions tell you there's 4 screws on the fender well and like 1 push pin, but theoretically there's 2 7mm bolts that hold the fender well inside. Take off those 2, and there's gonna be another 2. Let me see if you guys can see. There's like a bracket inside, a black one right here. 1, 2. Take off those 2. There's gonna be 1 up here, another 7 that goes straight up like that. Take that one out, and then on the bottom, the very bottom, there's gonna be 2 push pins as well. So once you guys do that, you're able to pull it out like that. See, very simple guys. Pops out nice, easy. I gotta disconnect the side marker. So you're gonna do it on this side and the other side, both sides, and then after that, I'm gonna double check the directions, see what else it says I need to remove. But other than that, it should pop right off. And yeah guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I removed 7mm bolts that go on the undercarriage part right here. It goes on the bottom of this right here. Basically, you remove those. The push pins, there's only 4 of those. There's 4 7s on each side of the fender or the bumper, and theoretically it says you should be able to pop it out, no problem. So we'll see how it goes. So basically we're gonna pull it back some more. I would say it's better to do it with 2 people. This way you could catch the bumper, you know. So I popped this side off a little bit already. And you pop off this side some more. These clips right here that hold the bumper are freaking tight, bro. So hopefully it comes off smooth. There we go. Yeah, I really pull on it hard. There's no question about that. So I'm gonna set that like that for now. It's holding itself up. I'm gonna try to replace, probably get another blanket right here or another fender cover. This way it won't scratch the bottom of the bumper. Never mind, I couldn't find one, but this is enough space. It's cool. So basically, what you want to do, kind of like slide it back. Oh. Just like that. That's what I'm saying. It would be better with 2 people because you have more control of it. One person this side, one person that side. But that's why I put the fender covers on the bottom, for the bottom of the bumper doesn't get scratched up. So basically now, all we need to do is remove the tail light. So we have to remove the trimming and the inside of the trunk now. Once we do that, we get the 3 bolts or nuts off. We're gonna have to unclip it right here. And yeah, guys, pretty much it. It's more work than the S197s, the S550s. I don't know why they design like this. It does look cool, but it's a lot of work. I'm gonna pause the camera for now and get that out. Alright guys, so now we're gonna remove the 8s. There's 3 8mm bolts for each taillight bracket. That's what they're called. So we're going to get those out. Got this new snap-on electric ratchet. It works pretty good. Long neck, 1/4 inch. Nice. So right there we got 2. This is number 3. So we're gonna go ahead and put these to the side. They should move out of the way. Let me make sure. But for now, for real quick, for the inner part, the interior part, you have to remove this trim panel, which sits back here. There is 4 plastic nuts that hold that against the back, and these little clips, make sure you don't break those. Nice and gentle. Then there's 1 push pin right here to allow you to move this. 1 push pin on this side to allow you to remove the carpet. I think we might have to remove that. I don't know if it's a body control module or what it is, but we're gonna have to remove that out of the way probably. But you can see right here is already 2 studs for the tail light. I believe they're 10mm bolts or nuts. And it's moving along pretty quick. Only been on it for 30 minutes. You just gotta make sure you do everything, I guess, like gentle. It's up to you. You do whatever you want. But anyways, I like to do it gentle because I don't want to mess up the paint or nothing. That's how it looks without the bumper. It looks pretty crazy. Alright guys, so I disconnect this harness right here to move the bumper a little bit more back. to give me space to go in here. You have to not remove it, but unbolt the body control module. So you gotta do that. It's gonna be 2 10s, a nut, and a 8mm. So you're just gonna push it back like that. You're gonna get access to the little harness right there for the tail light. You unclip it. Is this one right here? I don't know if you guys can see, it's pretty dark in here. It's that one, just unclip it. Theoretically, the tail light should pop out. On this side is another story. The directions, they don't really say anything about this side. It's only about that side. You have to remove that, blah blah, whatever. This side, we might have to remove the whole base out, or at least get it to move forward to sneak our hand in there. The directions doesn't say nothing about that part, but I already got the 2 10s right here, but there's one more, but it's way on this side, like almost by the end of the fender. So I'm about to move that. I believe those are 13s. Should be pretty easy, hopefully. But right now, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks once we get the new taillights on. They're ready to come out. It's already all loose and stuff. It's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that base, or slide it to the side for a little bit in order to access the other bolt. Okay, if you look at the new taillights, there's 3 of them, right? So 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we got the old tail light off. We got the new one ready to install. That's how it looks without the tail light. So you got to hopefully it's better lighting, but you could disconnect the amp or the sub, whatever it's called. Disconnect it. You can move it out of the way. All I did was slide it out of the way for a little bit, fold the carpet back, snuck my hand in there, and got access to the bolt and a connector. So now it's time to install these bad boys. I'm gonna do it on this side first, and then after I do this one. So far so good. All right, guys, just a little side note. I guess the instructions are for like a base model without the sub right there. So anyways, if you have the premium or performance pack, whichever pack you got, some have the sub right there. You gotta move it out of the way. They sent us some directions, so that's what I was going based off of right here, as the directions they gave us. Overall, the directions are pretty straightforward, pretty good. I believe they also have a YouTube video on how to replace them as well, swap them out. We're almost done, guys. Probably like another 30 minutes. Everything should be good, wired up, perfect. Hopefully have that bumper back on. Voila. All right, guys, now we got them both installed. I haven't tightened down the bolts. I just put a couple nuts to hold it, connect the wires. I'm gonna make sure they work, because I don't want to install the bumper and everything, all the clips, all the screws, to find out they don't work. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna press the brake pedal, make sure the brake lights work, make sure the blinkers work, the running lights, and do all that stuff. All right, guys, so right now I'm gonna check the blinkers, make sure they work, which they do. I'm gonna check the other side now. Oh yeah, bro, that side works too. Okay, let's see if the running lights work. We gotta make sure everything works, bro. I don't want to ship it, get it out of here, and boom, the lights don't work. Oh yeah, there we go. Pretty clean, pretty clean. For the brake light now, I'm about to put like a little pole or something, like a little stick to press the brake pedal, just to make sure the brake lights work, because I don't want him to get in an accident or something. So, but yeah, guys, these things look clean already, bro. All right, guys, we're all done. That shit looks clean, bro, especially with this blue color. Bro, that shit looks sick. Honestly, this tool helped a lot, made the job way easier. So we're gonna take some pictures of it right now for Instagram, do a little video on it. This thing honestly came out super clean. The panels lined up perfect, the lights look clean. Nice, bro. Nice. Very nice. So now what we're gonna do is yeah, go take some pictures or a little video for Instagram. Don't forget, guys, drop a like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Locos.Garage or 5.0 Nico. We posting more of my Mustang pretty soon. I'm getting a carbon hood, so dang, that shit is bright outside, but I'm getting a carbon hood for mine. We'll see how it goes, man. See how it goes. Catch you guys later. Peace out.